Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your space and hardware. Clear about 5 meters of room so tracking starts cleanly. Next, plug the link box into a USB 3.0 port and display port on your PC, then connect the link box to power so the index has stable bandwidth. Now attach the headset cable to the link box, confirming the headset LEDs light up and the integrated speakers get power. Once done, position the link box where cables won't be strained. Now focus on tracking. Mount the two base stations opposite each other, high on walls or stands, angled roughly 30 degrees downward so they cover the play volume. Power each base station and confirm a steady green LED. Use Bluetooth sync or set one to channel B if you see interference. Then run Steam VR's room setup, choose room scale, and walk the perimeter to define your play area. Make sure both stations see the headset and controllers. If one drops out, finish by pairing and updating the index controllers in Steam VR. Check batteries and let firmware update automatically. Adjust the headset's IPD slider for the sharpest image, then tighten the strap so the headset sits snugly without pressure points. Test audio and microphone in Steam VR settings and launch a short demo to verify tracking, comfort, and performance. If tracking or display issues persist, reboot the link box and rerun room setup. This often clears USB or software handshake problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.